Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an ebony twilight metallic 2017 Buick Envision Essence, stock number A7188. You have factory fog lights up front as well as a sharp chrome grille. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Michelin tire. Inside you have a black leather upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Buick. On the back of the center console might be a little hard to see, but you do have your climate controls and buttons here for heated second row seating. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are backup sensors on the bumper. You do have a backup camera here. We'll take a peek inside the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean. The second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you extra space when needed. There is also a power liftgate here, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Buick today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. You have buttons here for memory seating on the driver's side door. Underneath of that you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments here. Stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel, you do have cruise control buttons as well as Bluetooth controls. On the right hand side you have audio controls. This is a push button start. We'll go ahead and get that started up. Up above the rear view mirror, you have home and garage door opener buttons, and you've also got OnStar buttons here, so you do have capabilities for that. Coming down to the center, you've got an awesome touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have capabilities here for OnStar navigation as well. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls and buttons for your heated front row seating. This is an automatic transmission with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and in highway mileage, that gets you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Buick or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.